Good morning, students. Welcome back to today's class. Today we are going to see that chapter 5 of accountancy, BRS Bank Reconciliation Statement. This is video number 39, and here we go to solve the numerical questions. Okay, first we can see that here illustration number 1, very simple one. Same question is like this: from the following particulars, M.R. Vinod prepare bank reconciliation statement as on March 31st, 2017. First item, bank balance as per cash book, rupees 50,000. Check issued but not presented for payment, rupees 6,000. The bank had directly collected dividend of rupees 8,000 and credited to the bank account, but was not entered in the cash book. Next, fourth one, bank charges of rupees 400 were not entered in the cash book. Next, fifth, a check for rupees 6,000 was deposited but not collected by the bank. So first, when we are getting, this is a question, okay. First, when we are getting that question, you need to understand that question. What is that question? Here you can see that first is saying, this is Mr. Vinod, or Vinod is preparing that bank reconciliation statement. That means instead of Vinod, we need to prepare that bank reconciliation statement. The date is also given March 31st, 2017. And for that heading, we need to give that bank reconciliation statement of Mr. Vinod as on March 31st, 2017. So for Vinod, we are going to do. Here you know that this is just as example only. Vinod will not come to do, no? So don't think that, okay, we are waiting for that Vinod. So first one is saying that balance as per cash book. This will be our first entry, or first we are going to mention this balance as per cash book. Either balance, we can do it this two way. That means balance as per cash book or balance as per passbook, and we are matching with one another. And if we start with the cash book, we can get that if we did properly, we will get that exact balance of that passbook. If we did start with the passbook balance, then we get that how much is that exactly balance in the cash book. Or otherwise, we can match it with one another. Clear now? While solving this, you will get more idea. Okay. So first is saying that bank balance as per cash book. So according to our cash book, balance is given. So for as first item, we will write it. Next, you can see that check issued but not presented for payment, rupees 6,000. That means from Vinod's side, check is issued. You know that when check is issuing in our cash book, we record that. But problem is that it is not withdrawn, or from bank it is that amount is not reduced. So in our cash book that amount is not there, but passbook amount is already, sorry, in cash book we reduced that amount, in passbook that amount is not reduced. So next is that the bank had directly collected dividends. Dividend means profit of rupees 8,000 and credited to bank account, but was not entered in the cash book. What another thing happened? One amount, that is a profit or dividend collected by the bank directly, means in that we already linked it with the bank account, so that amount already come to bank and bank credited that is in our account. But what we didn't do, we didn't come to know, or our account is not record that transaction in the cash book. That means passbook that much amount is more, and in cash book that amount is not there. Next year, we can see that bank charges of rupees 400 were not entered in the cash book. That means bank debited our account. That bank charges means bank is reducing our money from the bank account. That means bank is debiting our account. Bank debited our account with how much rupees? 400 as bank charges. That is already debited in the bank account, but according to that we didn't write in our cash book. Clear now? Next year, a check of rupees 6,000 was deposited but not collected by the bank. So one another thing is that one check deposited to bank, but bank what didn't do? Bank is not collected that amount. So in that case, what will happen?
So our cash book balance will be more and passbook balance will be more.
Yeah, in cash book we already recorded that. After that only we are depositing, but bank is not collected that. So when we start, how we can write that? So as I said that in different places you can see that a different format. That means in accountancy there is no a particular format, but it can be like this. One model is this, and in your exams you have to follow according to NCERT. That is it. This is just a serial number, nothing more. Here you can write that the details, and here amount, here also amount. So first item we write as the balance as per now cash book balance is given, so we write that as per cash book. So even though in amount column there is no subtraction, we will write this amount in first column. Amount was 50,000, no? Yes. 50,000. So here you can give that one serial number one. Balance as per cash book. So this item that means we start with that either balance as per passbook or cash book. Okay, here in question cash book balance is given, so we started with the cash book. We can start it with the cash book or passbook. So here cash book balance is given, so we started with the cash book. Next item you can see that next point is saying that check issued but not presented for payment. That means from our cash book that amount is, how much is that? 6,000. Okay, that 6,000 we already reduced it from where? Our cash book. So this is balance as per cash book. That means this amount 50,000 we got after reducing that 6,000. But what is not happen? In bank passbook that amount is not reduced. So here we are adding that 6,000. You got that why we added here 6,000 now? Yes. You understand now? This is check issued but not presented to bank for the payment. That means we got this 50,000 after reducing this 6,000. But in bank What is not reduced? This 6,000 is not reduced. Now we wanted to get that bank balance. If we want to get that bank balance, what is happened common? From here we reduce it. If reduce it from there, then no problem. But you can see that from our account this amount is reduced, but according to bank that amount is not reduced. So in bank that amount is more. That means more amount, 6,000 more will be there. So we added here in order to bring it is in a common. So here second we give that check. For check I mentioned that short, but you don't go for that short. Okay, check issued but not present for payment. Okay, in my words you can see that there some spellings are short. Okay, this is not to adjust there. Okay, so when you are writing you have to write that complete. So check issued but not present for payment. Clear now? So that amount is that 6,000. You understand why that 6,000 added with that. Now here we are adding. If you want you can put that both places. Last only we are doing. So this here we are adding with that 50,000. Clear now? Now 56,000 is. Next 3 we are doing. Next you can see that the bank had directly collected dividend of rupees 8,000 and credited to bank account but was not entered in the cash book. So we already now come to know that in bank what is happened, one amount is received, that is rupees 8,000. That means in bank account this 8,000 is also added. This 8,000 is where it is added? In bank it is added, but we not add here. We didn't enter in our cash book. So in order to get that bank balance, what we need to do?
So we should add the amount.
We should add in our cash book, but we are not adding now. Instead of that we are adjusting in that the BRS. This is not that the cash book. Okay. This is BRS statement, bank reconciliation statement. Okay, this is not our cash book. We are not now adding in the cash book. We are not making any changes in our cash book also. Without adjusting cash book, we are making that a bank reconciliation statement. Clear now? So you understand that the bank is directly collected one rupees, that is rupees 8,000. Now bank balance again increased. But according to that, our cash book balance is not increased. So what we have to do? We need to add that 8,000 here. So we mentioned that dividend directly received by the bank. And if you want more explanation, but not enter in that cash book. Received by the bank directly. Okay, that amount is at 8,000. And if we go to next transaction, you can see that bank charges of rupees 400 were not entered in the cash book. And another is that bank reduced some amount from bank account. Bank reduced some amount. That amount is at 400 rupees. Which is also not entered in our cash book. So in our cash book, what will show that 400 is more, but actually in that cash book that amount is there? No. Sorry, passbook that amount is there? No. That amount 400 bank already taken from our account. So in bank account actually 400 is less. That is why that 400 we have to, this you can give that plus and here you can find out minus. For just understanding there is no much things, and then here we write that 400 in this column. That means that amount must be reduced from here. This 2 amount or 3 amount we need to add, and this 400 we need to reduce. Why? because you understand that this amount bank is charged from our account. That means from our account 400 is not there now. That we didn't enter here. If you reduce it here, then no problem. We need no need of mention here, but that we didn't record. So you can mention that bank charges not entered in the cash book. That is a complete. Or you can simply write that bank charges. If you are writing here, it is understood that bank charges is not reduced in the cash book. Bank charges not recorded in cash book. That amount is at 400. Clear, no? So next is at fifth. What is that? Check of rupees 6,000 was deposited but not collected by the bank. We need to get that bank balance now, or we need to match that bank balance and the cash book balance. So another one is saying that we deposited one check or few check. Its total value is that 6,000. When we deposited in bank, in our cash book, we write what? Money received. When we deposited check in our bank for collection, for example, yesterday I said that if I got a check from Nigel, that I can deposit it in my bank. If I deposit it today itself, then I will record in my cash book that money received or cash received from Nigel in the form of bank. Not as liquid cash, but as check we received. So we, instead of cash, we write in that the bank column that money received from whom? Nigel. Whatever is that rupees, as we mention as in our cash book, money as received. But in bank passbook, you understand that bank passbook at the same time it will be credited. No. It will take time. That means if different banks or even in the same bank also, you know that bank clearing process is there. It will take anyhow 2-3 days. Clear now? So that time gap is there. So in our cash book we already added that amount. In bank book, passbook, that amount not yet come. So difference is there. So what we need to do from our cash book, that amount we need to reduce in order to match with that the bank passbook. So check deposited but not collected by the bank. That amount is at how much? 6,000 now? 6,000. See, normally for this check, not only one check or the amount are given, now it is as a one amount only now. But normally in companies there may be so many checks. So that the check we are writing separately. That means a check issued. How many check we issued? Yesterday I said that a company daily they may issue, especially that month end and all, if services, for their services they have so many checks. Every day they need to update that check issued. Understand now? And if check issued means you understand that today I issued that here 10 checks. I wanted to make payments of for 10 people. You are among your 10 people are here. You provide some services for me. You imagine that I am running a company, and from my company I issued that 10 checks for you. So it is not sure that all of you have to submit in one day itself, or your submission date, or from your company or from your side you may submit that checks in different days. But whenever I issue those 10 checks, I have to mention that in a separate sheet that check issued, how many checks issued, list of that check issued, and here we are giving that the detail, check, issue date, and the details to whom that check is issued and the amount we need to mention, and one for we can mention for that remark whether that check come for payment. If once the payment is completed, then no problem. We can see that from our account from our cash book we already reduced it, and from bank also now when that payment is done by the bank, then there also it is over. Then here we get the total amount. So if 10 checks are issued, out of that 2 only come for the payment, that remain checks total amount only comes here. Okay. Actually in your class you no need of studying that, just I said that. The same way this also, this our check we send for the collection is total amount, same like this way we find out that total amount here. So now you can see that we are taking at the total of both sides. Total now, which side is having more, that total we take. Which side, this side is having more. Now, how much is the total? 64,000. 64,000 we write that both sides. That means if all things were adjusted, the amount will reach in this amount 64,000. But now you can see that at present some entries bank is not made, so we adjusted according to that bank passbook. That here remaining amount, how much is that the difference amount? That difference amount is that the balance as per passbook. That means at present in our bank account how much amount must be there, that we can see that. That amount how much is there? 57,600. 57,600. We give here balance as per passbook. That is 57,600. Clear now? And you see that if at the same time this amount is also comes to bank, and this entry from our this bank has to collect this amount, and this we need to make that entry. In that time the balance will come as at 64,000. The actual balance must be in the bank is at 64,000. But instead of that now how much amount only is 57,600. In that you can see that this amount will be reduced. Okay, this is for the payment. After payment, if this all amount we already reduce it, but bank is not reduced it. But this amount you can see that we got extra. The bank is recorded. We need to record. That is why we mentioned here. And this amount bank is not collected. When bank is collecting this amount, you know that it will increase. It will reach up to 64,000. Now in bank balance is only 57,600. Clear now? All of you understand now?